Hi there, today I'm going to have a little how-to video on how to take apart and harvest things out of your toppers when you're done with them. This is about a year old, and so I have replaced it with a new topper, but we're going to take off these clips. We're going to look and see what's inside this double monofilament, and then we're going to have a couple wefts of hair or lines of hair that I'm going to harvest to make a hairpiece out of. All you will need is a normal seam ripper from any sewing kit, or you can buy them on your own. And what's holding these on is just a couple of threads. So we're just going to get our seam ripper under there and take them off. And that's all there is to it. And it is sharp on the tip, so be careful. You can, of course, buy brand new wig clips from your beauty store or Amazon. And I have a whole video on what wig clips are and how they work. They're pressure sensitive, and it only takes a couple strands of hair for them to get a pretty decent hold on. So then you don't necessarily have to wear wig glue or tape or anything, or lots of bobby pins. You just have a couple pressure sensitive clips. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to cutting this open just to see what's on the inside, because I've never looked. I do know that there's multiple layers. And this one is a Job Renau topper called Top Wave. So every wig or topper is constructed a little bit differently. Some of them have several layers of net and some don't. And so underneath here is what is often in less expensive toppers, is just a net, and all the little individual hairs are knotted on there. And that makes kind of a rough surface on your scalp if you have hair loss. And then here are the lines of the wefts. So we're just going to go ahead and cut these little bits of lace so that I can get, or I guess ribbon is more accurately what that is, to get to the bottom part. So that's what I'm talking about, is a little weft. So we're just going through those ribbons again. And you can, of course, buy hair extensions or wefts of hair and just use that. But I just have a quick little project that I wanted a little bit of hair for. I thought might as well try out getting some off of a topper. So, minus the tag. That's all the weft of hair is.